Do subscribe to Filter Kaapi and click on the bell icon to get regular updates.
Big news coming in from Andhra Pradesh, and this is a major setback to the YS Jaganmohan Reddy government. The Andhra Pradesh High Court, in an interim order, has suspended the order that was issued by AP Genco cancelling the contract of Navayuga Engineering to construct the Polavaram Hydel power plant. Right from the time that Jaganmohan Reddy had taken over as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh in the month of May, he had been saying that Polavaram project was a scam. And last week, the Andhra Pradesh government had issued a pre-closure order and initiated reverse tendering for the construction of the project for works worth rupees 4,900 crore rupees. In fact, the YSR Congress leaders have been saying that the irregularities are worth close to 3,600 crore rupees. That's the level of the corruption that they have been alleging for quite some time. This Monday, in response to what AP Genco had done, Navayuga Engineering went to the Andhra Pradesh High Court arguing that the government's decision was unfair and unilateral as the company was meeting all the required deadlines. Now, the Jaganmohan Reddy government, both inside the High Court as well as outside, has been saying that the retendering process would bring down the cost of the project, besides ensuring that more bidders could actually compete to get the project. But the court was clearly not in agreement with this argument put forth by the government's pleader, and therefore, besides terminating the government's order, it also asked it to put on hold the entire reverse tendering process. So in that sense, a huge setback for the YS Jaganmohan Reddy government, because it was hoping that it will set an example as far as the Polavaram project was concerned, just to say that the previous government had overlooked all these irregularities and it was doing a major cleanup mission. Now, the court decision, interestingly, validates a point that was raised by R.K. Jain, who is the CEO of the Polavaram Project Authority. Remember, Polavaram is actually a national project. Its cost is up about 55,000 crore rupees, but it is the Andhra Pradesh government which is executing this national project. Now, R.K. Jain, the CEO of the Polavaram Project Authority, had written a letter just a day before the AP Genco cancelled this particular project order. He wrote to the irrigation secretary expressing satisfaction over the work undertaken by Navayuga. So both the center and the state not seeing eye to eye over the execution of the project by Navayuga. While the state is not satisfied, the center says it is completely satisfied. Now, this is what R.K. Jain wrote, and these are the critical lines: that there is neither enough ground nor any necessity for pre-closure of tenders and retendering of project works. Such a decision will plunge the Polavaram project into uncertainty. He also suggested in the same letter that the entire process be stopped or kept in abeyance till the center took a decision. In short, basically, R.K. Jain did not want Jagan to order reverse tendering. But despite this SOS sent just a day before he took the decision, Jagan went ahead with the decision to issue the notification. Now, the center obviously not very happy because, for one, despite it being a national project, it was not taken into confidence as far as this entire process of cancelling Navayuga's contract and issuing reverse tenders was concerned. Point number two. In Parliament, the Jal Shakti Minister Gajendra Shekhawat going on record to say that reverse tendering will increase the cost and, more importantly, delay the execution of the project. Now, obviously, former Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu and the Telugu Desam extremely delighted with this order, this interim order of the Andhra Pradesh High Court, and would hope that the final order would also be on the same lines. The former Chief Minister going on to say that Jagan was trying to prove corruption which did not exist. And number two, and this is a pointer to kind of how bitter the entire equation between Chandrababu Naidu and Jaganmohan Reddy has become. Naidu saying that the Chief Minister's madness will become a curse for the entire state of Andhra Pradesh, and the reverse tendering will hurt investor sentiment, and that will have a negative impact on the growth of the industry in Andhra Pradesh. We haven't heard from the Andhra Pradesh government as yet. We will update you on that. But as of now, definitely the Jaganmohan Reddy government, the irrigation ministry, will have to go back to the drawing board, consult with the legal team on how better to put its point forth in the Andhra Pradesh High Court so that it does not lose face. Because as of now, there are many people who are not in favor of what the Jaganmohan Reddy government was doing, despite which he went ahead. Now that it has hit a major legal roadblock, what does the government do from now on is going to be interesting. Also important to know that Navayuga's contract, even in the execution of the Machilipatnam port, was cancelled by the Jaganmohan Reddy government. So Navayuga has actually lost two big ticket projects just in the last 1 month, and they would be keen to ensure that they do not lose these big ticket projects which obviously run into crores of rupees in Andhra Pradesh, just because the present political dispensation is not in sync with it and thinks that there were irregularities committed in both Polavaram as well as the Machilipatnam port. Thank you very much for watching Filter Kaapi. We will keep you updated with what happens on this big story coming from Andhra Pradesh. Thank you.